Three little ants go marching one by one, working together till the job is done.